Hi everybody, like this hat? It's nice, huh? Welcome to TinkerCad lesson number 4, and in this lesson we're going to use TinkerCad. I'd like you to log on with your school account that we set up, and you're going to use the ruler tool to draw a rectangle, change the color, change the dimensions to be more accurate with your drawings. And hopefully when you get that done, I'll be able to look at it if you use a school account. So here we go. So log into your school TinkerCad account and create a new design. And we're going to rename it so that I recognize the file when I see it. So I'd like you to do your first initial, last name, and then ruler tool. There you go, hit enter. Now rename your file. Now down at the bottom of your screen is grid properties, and I want you to change it from millimeters to inches. You'll notice if you look at it, if you like doing Minecraft, you can make bricks down there with that as well. So the ruler tool is up on the right corner. You can click on it and then click down on your work plane about where I have mine, and the ruler tool will pop up. Now there's no dimensions on it yet because there's no object, so we're going to select a rectangle and drag it over here, and by default it will be a 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch rectangle, and we're going to change it to a 2.5 inch long, 2 inch wide, 1 1/4 inch rectangle. So you can stretch it out until you see the dimension that you want. If you want, you grab the handles. So here we go. We've got the dimensions on there now. You can see the handles that you can grab. You can turn the work plane. There is a dimension for the height off the work plane that shows up to the right there, so you can see how if you drag that cone you can lift it off the work plane if you need to do that, and you can set that dimension by clicking on it. Alright, let's go back. You have to select it to have the dimensions show up, and one of the things you can do to be very precise with your drawings is click on the dimension and change the number. So you'll see I click on the 2.5 and I want to leave it that way, so that's fine right now. I'm just going to click cancel and leave it that way. The green lines show the dimensions from the grid and the blue lines show the object lines. So I do want to change the 1 inch wide to 2 inches, so I'm going to go in and type in 2 and hit OK. And then I want to change the height of the rectangle to 1.25. So I'm going to click on that 1 and type in, change it to 1.25, which is 1 1/4, and click OK. So that's the dimension that I want this to be. So basically we're all set here. We're going to change the color, and you'll be done with your first assignment for this week. So there you go. If you click on it, and up where it says shape, you'll see a red dot. I'm just rotating it around to look at it. And if you click on that, you can choose a color. So I chose this kind of Marcus Whitman royal blue, and that's the dimensions and what you need. So you can save that as drawing 4 or whatever you named it as, and share it with me. Thanks. See ya.